In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads report in Looker Studio. Let's get started, shall we? To begin, you'll first need to sign in to Looker Studio. So, head over to lookerstudio.google.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account credentials. This is important, as it ensures that you have access to all the necessary features and functionalities that Looker Studio has to offer. With that set, it's time to create a new report. You'll notice a Create button situated in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the Report option. This action will take you straight to the report editor. Here, you'll see the Add Data to Report panel, which is where you'll be adding your data shortly. Now, to effectively pull in data from Google Ads, you'll need to connect to it directly within the report. Start by clicking on Connect to Data, right there within the Add Data to Report panel. This is your bridge to the vast array of data options Looker Studio can work with. As you're connecting to Google Ads for this task, go ahead and type it into the search bar and select the Google Ads connector from the options that will come up. You might be prompted to authorize access, so if that happens, follow the instructions to ensure Looker Studio can access your Google Ads account without any hitches. Once you've granted access, a critical step is choosing the specific Google Ads account you wish to connect to. You might have several accounts, so be sure to select the one that's relevant to your reporting needs today. Click on it, and then proceed to click Connect, located in the top right corner of the panel. Here, you'll enter the Data Source Fields panel, where you'll have the opportunity to review and configure the fields. Take your time here and make necessary adjustments to the fields to ensure that your report reflects the parameters you're focusing on. The final step is clicking on Add to Report. By doing this, you're incorporating the configured Google Ads data source directly into your report. This sets the stage for beginning to visualize and analyze the data in a way that meets your specific needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set the foundation for a Google Ads report in Looker Studio. Your next steps would involve tailoring the visualizations and insights to your requirements, but the core setup is now complete. Thanks for following along, and I hope these instructions have made it easy for you to get started on creating comprehensive, dynamic reports with Looker Studio.